A gdzie to poukładamy? Tu wecia toho? No nie chciałem, gdzie to poukładamy? Tu chyba. Gdzie? No, budete to naraz robiť? Čo bude tu?
To ja neviem, len povedz, že kde to máme dať? Telefón. Ale ja by som to dal na výšku, lebo...
Ja, tak jak on chce.
Mám tak potom neviem. A vieš, keď tá...
Morning guys, back at it on Wednesday. Electrician come in here on Monday and Tuesday, so I just wanted to keep out of his way so we could get on. It was going to be dusty and horrible because he was blasting through, or cutting through the kitchen wall to run new cables for sockets. So yeah, I'm here today. Got delivery of the floor tiles and the wall tile for the bathroom, which is cool. So I can start doing that soon. I'm going to sort out the mess in this place, try and clear it up today. Hopefully, probably put another coat of paint on in a few spots. There's some bits on the ceiling I'm still not happy with, so I'm going to run round with a Stanley knife, cut a slightly deeper hole in places so I can fill it again, and yeah, ready to sand it down and paint over it. It's all dependent on which way the light is and how cloudy and everything. Some days it looks absolutely perfect, and then today I've come in and I'm just picking holes in it again. But yeah, just for my peace of mind, I'm going to do a little bit more. But yeah, I have actually already started, so I'll get you guys to follow along for the rest of the day. Yeah, let's get it on. Basically what's happened is because there was a slight taper in the board, I had to fill in the joins a lot more, and so because of that thickness of the plaster there compared to here, the top coat has basically dried quicker than it has on the joints where there's more plaster. So it's just slightly pulled the plaster apart because it shrinks back slightly. And if it doesn't shrink back uniformly, like everywhere, then little hairline fractures can appear. And they haven't really stood out much until obviously the paint's gone on, and now the last coat of paint has just pulled out a little bit further, so it's just compounding. So what I'm doing is just, as you saw, run my knife through the groove, make the actual hole bigger, or the crack bigger, so it's got space for the actual filler to get into that crack. So when I sand over the top, it should be filled and you shouldn't be able to see it anymore. Well, that's the plan. Whether it's going to happen like that is another thing. It's probably should have just jointed it. Unfortunately, I think I probably would have still had the same problem. Right, done for the day. Dusty, should have worn my mask. Made good at season again. Bits I didn't like, is looking better. And another coat of paint, so if there is any other little marks, I'll just do little spot repairs at some point. I mean, the ceiling's probably going to get knocked by kitchen fitters and things like that. I'm not going to do another coat on the wall until after electrician's been, and possibly once I've tarred the floor, because then I can clean up all the mess that me and the Sparky are going to make. Painted behind the rads, so tomorrow I can stick them back on and get them out of the way, because at the moment they're in the middle of the floor in the way. Sparky's going to be here tomorrow. Don't know how I'm going to film things because I'm a little bit embarrassed by it. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I mean, second coat of paint on the ceiling does actually look a lot better. But then the light is different now. So I might come in here tomorrow morning and find that I still don't like it. You were just watching me having a mental breakdown about painting. Can't stand it. Yeah, but should be clearing this all ready for the tiles tomorrow, and possibly starting the ceiling in the bathroom to keep out of the Sparky's way. So yeah, more MFing, great fun. But yeah, so see you tomorrow.